Dear students, today we will practice MCQs from the topics Realism and Existentialism. You are requested to turn off the volume of your cell phones during the first round while practicing the questions. In the second round, turn on the volume to check your answers. There are brief explanations of the answers. Let me start the questions. Are you ready for questions? Question 1. What is the primary aim of realism in education? A. Development of moral character. B. Preparation for the afterlife. C. Understanding the natural world and reality. D. Promotion of individual freedom. Correct answer is C. Explanation. Realism emphasizes the understanding of the real world through empirical observation and scientific inquiry. Question 2. What type of curriculum does realism advocate? A. Literature and arts-based. B. Skills for industrial work. C. Knowledge derived from natural sciences and humanities. D. Religious scriptures only. Correct answer is C. Explanation. Realism emphasizes a curriculum that reflects objective reality, focusing on sciences and humanities to understand the world. Question 3. Which teaching method is most aligned with realism? A. Lecture method. B. Discovery and experimentation. C. Memorization. D. Role-playing. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realism supports methods that involve active exploration, observation, and experimentation to understand the external world. Question 4. What is a key educational aim of existentialism? A. Development of a scientific mindset. B. Discovery of personal meaning and self-awareness. C. Preparation for societal roles. D. Acquisition of technical skills. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism emphasizes individual freedom and the quest for personal meaning in life, making self-awareness central to education. Question 5. According to existentialism, curriculum should focus on A. Predetermined subjects for all students. B. Vocational training. C. Student choice and self-expression. D. Religious texts. Correct answer is C. Explanation. Existentialism values freedom, encouraging a curriculum that allows students to explore subjects aligned with their interests and individuality. Question 6. How does existentialism view discipline in education? A. Strict adherence to rules. B. Encouragement of self-discipline and responsibility. C. Punishment for non-compliance. D. Teacher-centered control. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism promotes self-discipline, where students take responsibility for their actions, fostering autonomy. Question 7. What is the role of the teacher in realism? A. Creator of knowledge. B. Facilitator of scientific discovery. C. Disciplinarian enforcing rigid rules. D. Religious guide. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realist teachers guide students in understanding the natural world through evidence-based inquiry and reasoning. Question 8. In existentialism, the teacher's role is best described as A. Authoritarian figure. B. Facilitator and counselor. C. Deliverer of facts. D. Taskmaster. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Teachers in existentialist education act as guides, helping students explore their individuality and make meaningful choices. Question 9. Which of the following philosophies supports a structured and factual curriculum? A. Existentialism. B. Realism. C. Pragmatism. D. Idealism. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realism emphasizes a structured curriculum based on objective facts about the natural world and human society. Question 10. What type of human relations does existentialism promote in education? A. Hierarchical relationships. B. Equal and authentic interactions. C. Formal relationships based on roles. D. Teacher-dominated relationships. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism emphasizes authentic, respectful interactions that honor individual freedom and equality. Question 11. Realism emphasizes which aspect of discipline? A. Natural consequences and logical reasoning. B. Teacher-imposed strict rules. C. Fear-based compliance. D. Student autonomy. Correct answer is A. Explanation. Discipline in realism is about logical reasoning and understanding natural consequences rather than arbitrary rules. Question 12. How does realism view human relationships in education? A. Collaborative inquiry-based relationships. B. Strictly professional relationships. C. Individualistic competition. D. Emotional dependence on authority. Correct answer is A. Explanation. Realism supports collaboration and inquiry-based relationships that facilitate learning about the objective world. Question 13. Which teaching strategy aligns with existentialism? A. Group discussions and debates. B. Objective tests. C. Storytelling. D. Dictation of notes. Correct answer is A. Explanation. Existentialism values freedom and choice, making interactive methods like discussions vital to exploring diverse perspectives. Question 14. What is the ultimate goal of education according to realism? A. Training individuals for economic purposes. B. Understanding universal truths and reality. C. Preservation of traditions. D. Development of spiritual awareness. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realism aims at understanding the natural world and universal truths through empirical knowledge. Question 15. Existentialism views students as A. Passive receivers of knowledge. B. Unique individuals with freedom of choice. C. Conformists to societal norms. D. Objects to be molded by education. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Students are seen as free individuals responsible for creating their own meaning in life. Question 16. Realism places primary emphasis on which educational element? A. Faith and spirituality. B. Scientific and factual knowledge. C. Personal growth and creativity. D. Social service. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realism prioritizes objective knowledge derived from observation and experimentation. Question 17. According to existentialism, which of the following is emphasized in teaching? A. Developing conformity to societal norms. B. Encouraging students to explore personal values and choices. C. Imparting fixed moral codes. D. Following a rigid, teacher-directed curriculum. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism encourages students to explore their individuality and make authentic choices based on personal values. Question 18. Realism recommends which approach to curriculum design? A. Student-centered curriculum focused on personal expression. B. Logical organization based on scientific knowledge and universal truths. C. Arbitrary selection of subjects. D. Emphasis on spiritual and religious studies. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realism advocates a curriculum designed logically, emphasizing scientific knowledge and objective truths. Question 19. What does existentialism reject in education? A. Freedom of thought. B. Predetermined aims and universal truths. C. Individual choice. D. Critical thinking. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism opposes fixed aims and universal truths, emphasizing individual freedom and subjective interpretation. Question 20. Which discipline approach aligns with realism? A. Strict authoritarian discipline. B. Logical discipline based on understanding cause and effect. C. Discipline through fear and punishment. D. No discipline at all. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Realism supports discipline that helps students understand the logical consequences of their actions. Question 21. Existentialism sees education as a means to A. Discover universal truths. B. Explore individual freedom and authentic living. C. Prepare for societal roles. D. Acquire vocational skills. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism views education as a tool to help individuals explore their freedom and live authentically. Question 22. Realism prioritizes which of the following in teaching methods? A. Active observation and scientific inquiry. B. Memorization and rote learning. C. Experiential learning through arts. D. Reflective discussions on abstract ideas. Correct answer is A. Explanation. Realism emphasizes empirical methods such as observation and experimentation to understand reality. Question 23. How does existentialism view the student-teacher relationship? A. Teacher as the absolute authority. B. Mutual respect and authentic engagement. C. Teacher as the sole source of knowledge. D. Formal and impersonal interaction. Correct answer is B. Explanation. Existentialism promotes relationships based on mutual respect and genuine interaction between teachers and students. Question 24. Which of the following is a key aim of realism in education? A. Developing practical skills for daily life. B. Promoting abstract reasoning. C. Cultivating spiritual enlightenment. D. Achieving social equality. Correct answer is A. Explanation. Realism aims to prepare students for real-life challenges by focusing on practical and applicable knowledge. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.